Depending on your selection in the Visible Period section, you might see some empty spaces, leading and/or trailing zeros that you're not used to seeing. Don't worry, in this short video, we'll walk you through what it means and what to do. Let's say you wish to see your data for 2025. You can select This Year in the Quick Select menu. This chart will then display all the data for that period. There's now some empty space with no data showing. This means that until August 25th, day with the first data points, no work has been completed. As the cycle time scatter plot only shows completed items, the chart will display some empty space for the days part of the selected visible period in which no work was completed. To remove this empty space, you can enable the Date Control chart and select the time period with data. In other words, you can exclude the empty spaces. Depending on the charts and the selection you've made in the visible period, you might end up with leading and/or trailing zeros or empty spaces. This is normal. You can either change the selected visible period or use the Date Control chart to zoom into a specific part of your chart. Remember, the visible period will be applied to all charts. The Chart Control section will only be applied to the specific chart you made the selection into.